Things were all good yesterday, and then the devil took your memory. And if you felt it, you could today.
Right, Stacey, we're at the bottom. We're about to set off. How are you feeling?
I'm okay.
Yeah?
Nervous.
How'd you sleep last night?
Shit.
Yeah.
And my father told me, son, it's not his fault, he doesn't know your face. And you're not the only one, although my grandma used to say, he used to say, darling, hold me.
Day one, it was torrential rain all day.
So
Stace, how was your first day?
it was good. I wasn't expecting it to be that steep though. It was quite steep.
Yeah?
In life, and life, and love. Put your open lips on mine and slowly let them shut. For their design to be together, oh, with your body.
Last
Day
night.
3. How did you sleep?
I slept alright actually, but
Yeah,
it was a tough
the baby.
one.
It's so annoying.
It was a tough one last night.
Right.
I'm
I'm not showing my pee-wee now.
Where's your piss
We have a
bottle?
she-wee. We're hiking for 7 hours.
8 hours today.
8 hours today.
4,900 metres to Lava
Lava
Tower,
Tower.
and then camp for the night.
This is when the altitude kicks in. So,
Can you turn the camera off?
which is like, I don't even know what I look like. I've not looked at myself for 3 days.
Let me put the camera in.
He used to say, darling, hold me in your arms the way you did last night. And we'll lie in sight a little while here. Oh, I could look into your eyes until the sun comes up. And we're wrapped in light and light and love. Put your
So we've made it to Lava Tower, 4,600 meters, and I'm dead. I'm suffering from really bad altitude sickness.
Where are we now?
So I've been hiking for 7 hours? 7 hours?
Yeah.
And I've been sick twice.
Lunch,
We've
where did we
made
go?
it. Lunch, we went to 4,600 meters. Is it?
What was it called?
The Lava Tower.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're here. We've made it.
Right, Stacey, how you feeling?
Like shit. Well, I feel better. I feel better than I did. But it's tough. It really is tough.
to be together, oh, with your body next to mine.
Hi, Kahanan.
Make sure my bum looks good.
What?
Hakuna matata, nasema jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata, tembea pole pole, hakuna matata.
So Stacey, what are you up to?
I'm trying to find shit for this summit. Can't find anything.
What do you need?
Oh, I need 4 or 5 fucking layers.
You see, this is what I have to deal with all trip.
Are you meant to be looking after me?
Well, I am, aren't I?
This is gonna be hard.
Okay, goodbye.
There's a place I go to when no one knows me. It's not lonely, it's a necessary thing. It's a place I made up, find out what I made of, the nights I've stayed up, counting stars and fighting sleep. Let it wash over me. I'm ready to lose my feet. Take me off to the place where one reviews life's mystery. Steady on down the line, lose every sense of time. Take it all in and wake up that small part of me. Day to day I'm blind to see and find how far to go. Everybody got their reason, everybody got their way. We're just catching and releasing what builds up throughout the day. It gets into your body and it flows right through your blood.
So we just got back from summiting, the longest day of our life.
We left the camp at 11 o'clock last night and we've just got back and it's, what time is it?
Like
11:30 a.m. So we've been hiking throughout the whole night and the weather was horrendous. It was like snowstorms, I look like shit. Not washed in like 5 days. I feel like shit and my whole body is aching.
Are you happy you done it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm glad I can't get my words out. I'm glad I'm leaving the mountain.
What about you? So Stacey, where are we right now?
High camp. We're on our way back down. So after hiking for how many hours? 12 hours?
Yeah.
Now we're heading back.
Do you love hiking?
Not right now. What?
Hike a hand on you. Oh, look at that. Huh? Hike a hand
Just having a
sun's
snack.
out.
Da-dum-dum-dum.
Or angry, you're always happy, so that was the biggest difference for me.
And I'm going to teach my kids about your culture and your songs. I'm going to teach them your songs.
Go back to England and people complain about little things, it's crazy, so thank you very much.
Da-dum-dum-dum. Da-dum-dum-dum.